Wise click on the bell right beside it to activate the notifications. And just like that, you will be one of the first ones to see my videos. If you see my videos on mobile on tablet, you can do it like it shows on screen. Let's start. She was drinking warm turmeric water every morning for 12 months, and then this happened. Turmeric is becoming one of the most popular spices, and there are numerous good reasons for this. Namely, it is full of nutrients and provides miraculous beneficial effects for the health, as it has powerful antioxidant, anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties. Its active ingredient is known as curcumin, which has an enumerated list of advantageous uses, and over 7,000 reviewed scientific articles which explain its effects on our health. Therefore, turmeric water is one of the healthiest beverages you can drink. Here is one great story by a woman from Bristol, England. After consuming it for 12 months, a woman from Bristol, England experienced incredible health benefits. She has amazing pH levels, that means she alkalized her body, she improved her digestion, and also what is really important is that she relieved her arthritis symptoms. She get all these benefits by drinking 1 glass of turmeric water every morning for 12 months. This is how to prepare this miraculous drink. In a glass of warm water, add a teaspoon of ground turmeric with a pinch of black pepper, and stir well. Drink the whole amount immediately, until it is warm. The turmeric water should be consumed every morning, and these are its benefits. Promotes heart health. Its main ingredient, curcumin, eliminates plaque from the blood vessels and prevents the formation of blood clots. According to a study from 2011, published in the journal Biological and Pharmaceutical Bulletin, a team of experts from the Niigata University of Pharmacy and Applied Life Sciences in Japan found that the consumption of turmeric for 3 weeks has improved the condition of the heart in male rats. Reverses type 2 diabetes. The Auburn University conveyed a study in 2009 which was published by Biochemistry and Biophysical Research Communications and demonstrated that this spice can provide great help in the treatment of diabetes. Alkalizes your body. Turmeric is highly alkaline, and cancer thrives in an acidic environment only. Protects your brain. According to scientists, the low levels of the growth hormone, brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF), are often related to Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Moreover, they have provided evidence that curcumin controls the levels of this hormone, and thus prevents age-related brain functions and brain diseases. Fights against inflammation. The major cause of numerous diseases is inflammation. Curcumin has potent anti-inflammatory properties and thus efficiently fights inflammations and protects the organism. Anti-cancer properties. Curcumin successfully prevents cancer, as it is a strong antioxidant, and antioxidants protect cells from damage. Relieves arthritis symptoms. According to a 2012 study of curcumin is as effective as the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug NSAID, and even more than diclofenac in treating the swelling and pain. Improves digestion. Scientists claim that the regular consumption of turmeric improves digestion. Liver protection. Turmeric promotes a proper gallbladder function, protects the liver from the dangerous consequences of toxins, and effectively regenerates the damaged liver cells. Decelerates aging and promotes longevity. Curcumin successfully destroys free radicals and prevents